Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A80s and let me share with you how to use the secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where you can enter all of those codes. Let's tap on the keypad and enter the first code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another code. It is *#225#*##*#. And here we are in the calendar info, so we've got all events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections so you can count them. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which is *#426#*##. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and sign-in level. You can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view, just mark it, and then tap on the status. And here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and the last code, which is *#4636#*##. And here we are in the testing mode, so you can check out the phone information, battery info, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. Just tap on it, and here you've got, for example, the status. You can refresh the stats and check the network state, SSID, or network ID. You can run ping test here also. Let's go back, usage statistics. Here we've got the list of all apps which are sorted by usage time. You can check the usage time, of course. You can also change the sorting type, so to the last time used or app name. It's totally up to you. Battery information, so for example, the exact battery level, whether it is plugged or unplugged, whether it's charging or not, the temperature, the technology, etc. So here you can check the technical information and whether it is correct. So for example, whether it is plugged or unplugged. So here you can check some battery problems. And the phone information, so for example, you can check the email number, car network, data service, or voice service. Of course, you will be able to check the information if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why we do not have my information here. You can also run ping test, just tap on it, and here you've got the results. You can also tap on the three dots icon and enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.